Hey YouTube, I got a suggestion that I do this song "Dumb" by the Pretty Sick. Um, so of course I said okay, and I hadn't heard the song before, and when I went to the video, it said, "Oh, warning! This may be inappropriate." So I think there's an important lesson there. If you're a young person out there, and you want to do crazy, wild, and crazy stuff, start a band and call it art. All right, the song starts out. Song starts out actually just with D. She's Sabrina Fuentes is playing it on bass. D and then to B. Got a lot of distortion on. I also have a lot of reverb on. I like reverb. The guitar may be playing something like this. 5th fret on the G string. 2nd fret on the G string. Just that's how it starts out. And then they get into it and that's like the chorus, maybe. But what they're playing there is D major 7, kind of a cool jazzy chord they snuck in there. We play the open D string. That's your 4th string up from the high one. Then we just press down on strings at the 2nd fret on strings 3, 2, and 1. All right, and then we play B minor. And whenever you have a song in the key, that's using a D chord, and you hear like a minor chord, think that it might be B minor, because a D, especially D and B minor go together. Right? If you can't play the bar chord B minor, just play like this A minor shape. Just move your A minor up and start it at the 3rd fret. And if you can't play A minor, well, learn that first, then try to play this song. But if you especially with a lot of distortion, you don't need to play the full chord. It's got the whole chord right there. And then that's why I say try to play it with your A minor on the 3rd fret, which turns it into a B minor. Try to play it with these 3 fingers though. That'll just make it easier for you in the future. And also, when you go to play this D, you can have your index finger ready to go. All right, and then there's only 2 other chords in this. G. And I just play it like this with just 2 fingers. A lot of people put the 2nd finger on the A at the 2nd fret. And then E minor. All right. Stupid, useless, needs to be taken care of. It doesn't go F when it goes to the G to E minor. It repeats. And I think when we get into the main part of the song, they're going B minor, D. B minor, D major 7, G, E minor, G, E minor. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. But you know, when you go to that, are you gonna be hanging around? Then you go D first, then to the B minor. All right, so hope you enjoyed that song. My favorite song is still Allen Street, but I like this one too. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun playing that song. Bye.